is not built for parking lot noise. Nah. This is for the listener, for the one who hears the texture inside a snare drum, the breath before the vocal, the weight of a bass note before it even lands. 2022 Ridgeline, GB behind the wheel, Morel in the doors, Alpine pushing clean current, kicker moving air like weather. Welcome to the sound check. Carbon fiber clarity floating through the cabin. Elate 628, make the vocals start dancing. Vertis Nano tweeter shining like glass. Every little detail cut clean when it pass. No harsh edge, no muddy mid-range, just warm definition perfectly arranged. Kick drum centered, hi-hat precise, guitar reflection sounding cold as ice. Rear feels smooth with the Maximo tone. Ultra 602 make the whole ride feel grown. Nothing too loud, nothing too weak, just that play it again type frequency. Some people hear music, some people feel design. When the tuning is right, the whole cabin aligns. GB ride slow when the bassline breathe. Window half cracked in the summer heat. Every note place where it's supposed to be. That's not noise, that's fidelity. Clean highs, warm lows, center image sitting right in the soul. From the front stage down to the sub below, GB got the whole ridge line in control. This ain't the kind of build you flex for attention. It's for the late night drive in the perfect dimension, where the singer feel close like they sitting shotgun and the bass stay musical instead of just dumb. Alpine current flowing stable and clean. Keep the subs hit low but they never get mean. Everything balanced, everything tuned, like the cabin itself became a studio room. You hear the fingers slide across the guitar strings, tiny room reflections, micro details and everything. That's when you know the install was done right, not just loud, alive. It's that color bulbs recognize each other, not because of status, not because of logos, because they understand that good sound changes the entire drive home. A perfect mix can turn traffic into meditation. GB ride slow when the bassline breathe. Window half cracked in the summer heat. Every note place where it's supposed to be. That's not noise, that's fidelity. Clean highs, warm lows, center image sitting right in the soul. From the front stage down to the sub below, GB got the whole ridge line in control. Morel, Alpine, kicker, Ridgeline, built for the ears, not the ego. System calibrated, frequency aligned. Drive safe, GB.